Instagrammable Modular Kitchen Design 2024. Step into the future with our 2024 Instagrammable Modular Kitchen Design. Welcome to DPS channel, where design meets innovation. In this exciting video, we're thrilled to showcase the trend-setting modular kitchen design of 2024 that's not only functional but also incredibly Instagram-worthy. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a design lover, or simply someone who appreciates the art of living, this is the video you've been waiting for. What to expect in our video. 1. Sleek and minimalistic aesthetics. Witness the fusion of sleek lines and minimalistic aesthetics, creating a kitchen space that's both visually stunning and highly efficient. Our design experts have meticulously curated each element, from the cabinetry to the countertops, to exude elegance in its simplest form. 2. Smart and sustainable solutions. Discover the latest innovations in kitchen technology that make your cooking experience seamless and eco-friendly. From smart appliances that can be controlled with a touch to energy-efficient lighting that sets the perfect mood, we've incorporated futuristic solutions that align with your modern lifestyle. 3. Color palette of the year. Dive into the color palette of 2024 that's taking the design world by storm. Get ready for a burst of soothing pastels and bold, unexpected pops of color that add vibrancy to your space. We'll explain how to tastefully incorporate these shades into your kitchen for a picture-perfect backdrop. 4. Organic and nature-inspired elements. Connect with nature even while indoors. Our design seamlessly blends organic textures and nature-inspired elements into the kitchen's decor. Imagine preparing meals surrounded by calming earthy tones, natural wood finishes, and indoor greenery that rejuvenate your senses. 5. Instagram-worthy styling tips. Get ready to capture the essence of your stunning kitchen on Instagram. We'll share pro tips on how to style your space for the perfect shot. From arranging trendy kitchenware to creating visually pleasing vignettes, you'll have all the secrets to curating an envy-worthy Instagram feed. 6. Collaboration with top influencers. Stay tuned for a special segment featuring renowned interior design influencers who share their thoughts on our 2024 modular kitchen design. Learn how they perceive the design's impact on the industry and catch exclusive insights from their behind-the-scenes visits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge design content. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel, seeking design inspiration, or just love staying ahead of the trends, this video is a must-watch. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss out on any of our exciting updates. Thank you for joining us in this journey into the future of kitchen design. Get ready to transform your cooking space into a haven of style and innovation. Let's make 2024 the year of your dream kitchen. Note, this is a fictional YouTube video description created based on the given prompt and does not represent any real content or design trends.